RcMax.
Hey everyone, I'm Ethan and today I'm going to talk about RcMax engine oil filters. I have with me today RcMax oil filter number 6671057. This particular oil filter is compatible with over 100 make and models of equipments. You can find a full list of models and equipments on our website, rcmax.ca. I'm going to show you the filter first in 360 view so you can have a good look of it. So this is the filter from outside. You can see it's using high quality metal, which is also rust proof. Does the brand of oil filter matter? That's a question that's being asked by our customers multiple times. To many people, oil filters are a generic product. Price is the only factor considered when they're choosing a filter. They do look pretty much the same on the outside, but what's inside can make a big difference. Another question that we're being asked is, are cheap oil filters okay? Cheap oil filters use cotton waste as the filter media. On the other hand, expensive and professional oil filters use filter papers. RcMax filters use a check valve to prevent drain back from the filter housing, regardless of whether they are canister or cartridge. But cheap filters, on the other hand, do not use any valve to check the drain bag. Okay, so something that's very useful on the RcMax boxes where you can find is the QR barcode. We have designed this QR barcode on all of our boxes, which enables the customer to look at compatible models by scanning this QR barcode. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to scan. Oh wow, take a look. As soon as I turn the box around, you can see the QR code is scanned, and up here I can click on the link. It will take me directly to the website of RcMax where I can find all the models that I can put this oil filter on. So you can find some of the compatible models down here, and if you click on the oil filter catalog PDF, this will give you a full series of models and engine types, which is unlike any other competitor's oil filter.